it was too quiet outside. Then Diablo snapped his fingers. At that moment, the tent blew away. Calgurio and the others were able to the scene outside. There was a pile of dead bodies. All the soldiers were dead as if they were sleeping. Yes, as if only their souls had been taken out. No, Calgurio realized, that was exactly what had happened.
Golden eyes. I've never felt strength like this before. It can't be. Are you one from the legends? The primordial?
That demon crossed the border like a strong gust of wind, devastating this evil realm. Crossing the gate of hell, he arrived at a spiritual world, which could be called hell or the nether realm. He became the symbol of violence, slaughtering powerful demons along the way. The weaker demons had already fled, while the strong grouped up to battle him. But to him, this was merely a meaningless struggle of the weak. He destroyed his enemies in a flawless fashion, crushing them with ease. The fearsome personification of violence, this demon was named Diablo.
「身の程知らずにもこの私を呼び出したのはあなたですか」大量の供物に初仕事、光栄の極みで少々張り切ってしまいそうです。この日を心待ちにしております。今後ともお仕えしてもよろしいのでしょうか。ご安心ください、マスター。